What's up, y'all? Justzay here, back with another pickup. And today we have a super duper special unboxing. Today we have a powerhouse collab with Adidas as well as Marvel to create the Spider-Man 2. Now, before we get into that, I just want to let you guys know that if this is your first time watching, we usually shoot things a little bit differently. Today we shot in a 21:9. We usually shoot in a 16:9. So if you're not subscribed, put in the comments which version do you like. And if you are subscribed, look out for that poll. I'm gonna do a poll to see exactly which device you guys tend to watch my videos on the most frequently. Some people use the smartphone, some people use the television, and some people use the widescreen laptop. So hopefully we can do something where we can please the majority of everybody. So definitely look out for that poll if you guys subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you can then enter the poll. Let me know so I can make more videos to cater to what you guys like. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Box up. Boom. You see this tissue paper right here, this hint of detail? This right here built in anticipation. If you have not already seen these, then you're just gonna be like, whoa. I mean, like I was blown away. So once you peel back the webbing of this tissue paper, you see the shoe right here. And I'm gonna be honest, I did not think this shoe was gonna be as great as it was online as in person, and I was wrong. I would be the first to admit that. This shoe right here has so many hints of detail that I think that not seeing this in person does not do it any justice. You have to see this shoe in person. And that's because the concept of this shoe is based off Peter Parker's advanced suit as well as Venom taking over that. And the Venom portion is right here, which is the Adidas 4D that you see right here. And then the traditional Ultra Boost is the upper part, which is Spider-Man's original suit. And it's the best of both worlds on this shoe. You basically have two key characters out of the Spider-Man series. Alright, so this shoe has a lot of detail to it. So if you guys focus right here on the upper part of this cage, you see that it is leather. And these three stripes, of course, are white. And what that represents is the logo of his suit, which is a white spider. And that white spider, of course, is right here at the tongue of the shoe. And yep, just as I thought, this right here is reflective. You guys see that? Reflective material. I don't think his suit has any reflective material on it. I won't be surprised if it does, but I don't think it does though. But nonetheless, right here, this right here is if you see this design right here, this carries on throughout the whole tongue of the shoe. Well, this portion right here of the shoe, and this is like a clear fish netting, and this represents the eyes from his suit, as well as right here, this represents the eyes as well, which is transparent. If you see, look at that. Boom. Another hint of detail this shoe offers is the logo right here of PlayStation, right around the tips. So once you get to the portion of actually trying on the shoe, you're going to pull out the sole, or you see the sole, and the sole basically just tells you everybody that's involved with this collab. And then you flip it over, you're going to see Adidas right here. And that's just about it. That's pretty much all the details about this shoe. Now, how does it feel? So for $220, you're going to get a shoe that's not bad. I say not bad because it's not the best. This, of course, is 4D, but it is not the most responsive version of 4D. And to me, these are the most responsive versions of 4D. This is actually the Adidas 4D Forward. Now, this right here, of course, I don't know if you guys can tell, it has more 4D elements in it. It has actually more 4D tech than the actual pair that we have today. And I think that plays a big part in how responsive this is. So if you guys look, the actual design is different as well. So if you see how this is a little bit more concave right here as opposed to this one. And then when you look at the back, it's a lot easier to see that one has way more 4D than the other one. These, of course, both are size 10 and a half, I'm sorry. And you know, I'm not complaining. It's not a knock against the shoe totally. I would still buy these knowing that. But I think the main reason they went with this style is just so they can keep the actual 4D logo that they keep right here and keep the Ultra patch because this shoe is really, the upper part is really one of the OG Ultra Boosts. Now this is a version 1 collab Ultra Boost that they came out with, undefeated. I don't think I showed you guys these, but basically it says undefeated between both shoes, and then it's just like I said, the OG pair. Now the significance of this is what this is. So like as I was telling you, the upper half of this is just traditional OG Ultra Boost version 1, which is what this is. They got the same cage right here. They got the little back lock in, and the prime knitting is exactly the same. Even the structure where well, this is a little bit different. You have a little bit more of this plastic material right here, but rubber material, I'm sorry. But overall, man, for $220, I would definitely buy these again. Get your hands on these if you can, because these are going up in price right now. It's right around $400. So if you can't get them at retail, start saving. Hopefully get you a pair by Christmas at resale. Alright, so these do run a little bit narrow. I went ahead and went half a size up. And you're definitely gonna need both hands for these, just to be able to slip them on. And like I said, it is responsive. I mean, it's not bad. It just doesn't compare to the 4D, the ones I showed you in the video, the 4D forward. Matter of fact, let me show you. Let's put these on a little bit. You guys can see. Like I said, man, it's not bad, but definitely a lot more responsiveness with this shoe as compared to this shoe. Looking good, baby. This your second coat?